Greetings everyone, my name is Rosana Tasnim and today we will present a comparative review on two books that hold a significant place in the 1971 Liberation War. The two books are Ekattorer Dinguli by Jahanara Imam and Muldhara 71 by Maidul Hasan. So to start off with, these two books are very different from each other, but together they help us understand both the personal and the political side of the war. Imam writes as a mother living in occupied Dhaka, while Hasan writes as an insider from the provisional government. Their viewpoints help us see how ordinary families suffered during the Liberation War and also how national leaders had planned the movement. Now let me talk about their main themes. Ekattorer Dinguli is a diary written during the war, so it feels very personal and very emotional. Imam talks about fear, hope, survival, and especially the story of her son, Rumi, who had joined the freedom fighters. On the other hand, Muldhara 71 is more formal and organized. Hasan explains the political decisions, leadership challenges, and the formation of the Mujibnagar government and the military strategy behind the war. In terms of historical accuracy, both books are reliable but in different ways. Imam's diary is accurate because she wrote everything as it happened. Based on her real experiences living in Dhaka, it showed daily life during the occupation. Hasan's book is accurate because it is based on government meetings, government documentations, and his own involvement with the national leaders. So while Imam gave us the emotional truth of the war, Hasan gives us the political and strategic truth. Thank you. Now my partner Mahfujur Rahman will give you more insight on this.
Thank you so much. Now I'll be discussing the rest. Let's start with the personal reflection. In Ekattorer Dinguli, the personal reflection is one of the most strongest parts. Writer Jahanara Imam expresses her fear, her hope, and the pain as a mother during the war. She writes openly about the danger around her, the loss of her son Rumi, and how a war affected a normal family. On the other hand, the Muldhara 71 personal reflection is more limited. Writer Maidul Hasan focuses mainly on political events, and he sometimes shares the personal thoughts about the national leaders, their challenges, and the pressure they faced. And now it's the comparative analysis. When we compare these two books, we see a major difference. Jahanara Imam's writing is emotional, personal, and written in small daily moments. It shows how war feels inside a home. On the other hand, Maidul's writing is more formal, structured, and focuses on national level decisions. His book explains how the war was organized, how leaders worked together, and how the strategy shaped into the final victory. And lastly, the conclusion. To conclude, both books are extremely important because they show the two sides of the same history. Jahanara Imam helps us understand the suffering, courage, and the sacrifice of ordinary people. On the other hand, Maidul Hasan helps us understand how the Bangladeshi political leadership built a path to victory. When we read both books together, we get the complete image of 1971, how it was lived, how it was fought, and how it changed a nation forever. Thank you so much.